Hello, my name is Christoph and I love Espresso. I am working in a big building with more than 600 people. All we have on our floor is a microwave. The only espresso machine is far, far away. It takes 10 minutes to get there whenever I feel like an espresso. And another 10 minutes to get back to my desk. At home, in the morning I'm always sleepy and running out of time, so getting an espresso should be quick and easy. While traveling, we often only find a drip coffee machine or a microwave in our hotel room. Where's my fresh espresso for a good start into the day? In the office, home or even during travel, a tasteful espresso makes a difference. But we are getting busier and busier by doing many things. Therefore, enjoying espresso should not be complicated. A solution to deliver the full experience of a fresh espresso is needed. Something quick, easy to use and personal. While discussing this with my brother Hendrik, an idea was born. To achieve an original espresso experience, we tested using several tiers of prototypes and our microwave simulator. I still remember Christmas 2008, a week of testing with 15 espressi a day. It was a fantastic, sleepless Christmas. Piamo is a compact, portable espresso maker for making a single serving. The design is clean and iconic. Piamo consists of only 4 pieces: cup, water chamber, filter inlay and filter closing. Just fill in water. Add an espresso pad, assemble Piamo and place it into the microwave. 30 seconds, 800 watt. First, microwaves heat the water. Next, steam pressure builds up to press the hot water through the espresso pad straight into your cup. You are free to use a pad or loose espresso grounds. An integrated shielding protects the aroma. I wish you could just take the cup and taste this wonderful espresso. I would love to share this experience with you all. The feasibility of Piamo has been verified by several tiers of prototypes. We are ready for the next stage of the adventure, to put Piamo into your hands. But for that, we need your help. Thank you for watching and support Piamo on startnext.de.